the Freebie Kids of Texas channel.
Today we bring you a recipe from California. It's in our United Tastes of America cookbook. What do you all know about California?
It's known for the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah, the home of Disneyland.
Here's the state of California, and here's a closer look at it. It's called the Golden State. The 1848 Gold Rush. One of our favorite golf courses is there. Bubble Beach.
Pebble, not bubble.
Pebble Beach. Pebble Beach.
Bubble. All about the bubble, isn't it?
Yeah. They have a lot of beaches.
The capital of California is Sacramento. Today we are making a Cobb salad. We have the chicken on the grill and the bacon in the oven.
First thing we need to do is boil the eggs. Put your eggs in a pan of water. We're gonna put a little bit of salt in here because my great grandma always would. Bring it to a boil and turn off the heat. Put a lid on the pan and let it sit for 10 minutes.
We need 1 head of romaine lettuce.
Is that the kind of lettuce that tried to kill everybody a few years ago?
Oh, good job, California.
I don't eat salads anyway, so I'll be fine.
And you expect me to eat the salad?
Yeah. Eat the salad.
It was a few years ago, so maybe we're gonna be fine. We tried to kill everybody.
Let's chop up that romaine lettuce anyway and spread it on a serving platter.
We just made some bacon, so now it's time to chop it up.
Let's do the same thing to our chicken and put it neat rows on the lettuce.
This is gonna be so yummy. We got our hard-boiled egg. Now we're gonna take the shell off. This is what it looks like when the shell is off. Now it's time to slice them. We are going to use our eggy slicer. You open it like this, put the egg on it like this, put it down, make sure your fingers are not in the way, let it cut, and when you are finished, voila, a perfect egg.
Whoa.
to chop the tomatoes and avocados.
It's also time to add the blue cheese crumbles.
Ta-da!
Now our salad's done!
Time to do the salad dressing. You need a quarter cup red wine vinegar.
It's a quarter cup.
Add half cup extra virgin olive oil.
Half cup. We need 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Mix it all together.